All right. So if you've ever wondered how you could create your own custom value, I'll show you on this video. So if you go to the menu on the left, and then you go down to settings down at the bottom, and then we're going to go to custom values here. All right. So here's where you can make your own custom value. So if you've ever seen a tag anywhere inside of your account, you'll see that there are custom values that are created by the system that come with your account. Now you can make your own here. So the way you do that is by clicking on the blue Add Custom Value button here. You'll name it. Let's say if um, let's do a webinar date. Okay. For the value, this is where you'll put in what the date is. So this custom value actually can be used for, let's say, if you have multiple pages or multiple emails that go out that have a specific date on there, but you know that there will be sometimes when that date is going to change. You don't want to have to go out there on every single page that's in your account where this date is to manually change it. So this is where a custom value will come in good for. What you'll need to do is just create a custom value here like we're doing, put the said date in. Let's say we're gonna do May 31st. Okay. We can even throw a time in here too. And you can make this look how you want to, whether it's capital or not. So let's do a May 31st at 7 p.m. Oops. All right, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Now the folder is just, let's say if you had already created a folder, this is just for organizational purposes. So if you have created a folder where certain custom values go in, then that's what this would be for. In this case, we don't have one, so we don't need it. We'll just click create. Okay, so now just keep in mind that anywhere where we put this custom value in, that same date and time will show up anywhere. So let's go back. I'm going to show you an example of how this would work. So let's try to go to marketing. Going to go to emails, and then we're going to try to create one from scratch. So I'm going to go to templates, create new blank template, design editor, select. All right. So let's say if I want to put some text right here. All right. Let's try this. Let's try this first. Well, yeah, let's see if it's not working with me today. Oh, I'm in the wrong section. Sorry. That threw me off. Okay, let's do our text here. We're actually going to take this one out. Well, let's say our header is where we would want to put in our webinar date and time. We're going to highlight that portion. We can actually make it a little bit bigger too if we want. So we make it at 60. Let's go to our custom value option right here. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see there's another section here at the bottom says custom values. These are the ones that you created. So now you see the one that we created, the webinar date and time. We're going to click on that, and then you'll see that that date and time will pop up in this area. All right. Now we click preview, and now you'll see that that date and time popped up in that area. And if the size isn't like you like it, you can always make it a little bit smaller. Let's say we go back to 36. We go back to preview. All right, and it makes it a little bit smaller. But that is how you use a custom value.